Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm just doing an update video. Last time I did a video, I think my account was at like I can't tell, it was like at 6,000 or 5,000. Maybe it was at like 7,000. So yeah, I did grow quite a bit over time from my last recording. That's because I did put a bit more money into my account, but also my positions grew exponentially, like pretty crazy. Like the real estate sector went up quite a bit, and it was like my biggest position. Like around 50% of my account value was in real estate stocks. So yeah, with the real estate stocks rising, my account position did go up, but I already expected that. I expected it actually a bit further on in like 2021 around ish, but the real estate sector um, went crazy this week or the past few weeks. But I think it is gonna go back down, so that's why I'm not rushing in to buy some more stocks, because I think it's gonna go back down since the whole mortgage crisis with tenants are behind in rent payment, and a lot of businesses probably aren't gonna go back into real estate. So and like uh the pause on mortgage payments is ending it around January 2020, January 2021. So that's gonna make the real estate sector uncertain, and the real estate stocks are gonna fall again. That's where I'm gonna start buying even more heavier than I was back a couple months ago. So my growth section is growing rapidly too. Unity software, I knew that was gonna grow big, but it grew actually pretty big, pretty fast. I wanted to buy more at the time, and I still plan on buying at least a couple more since it's under my buying price. So I said anything under 150, I'm willing to buy it. I also added a couple more stocks into my portfolio. Esty, I added Sony, and I added Callaway. It was actually a recommendation from a YouTuber, the YouTuber named Financial Education Jeremy. Yeah, I got it from him. But I didn't buy that much since I didn't actually do my own research. I just bought it since he did do a good video on it. So if I wanted to buy some more Callaway stocks, the golf stock, I need to do my own research. That's my rule. If I'm gonna gamble some money, I'm gonna gamble it a little bit. But if I want to buy some, I'll buy it heavily. Then I have to do my own research. That's my rule, and that's how I just work on my stocks like that. Luna, I did a whole video about Luna, and I knew Luna was gonna grow even bigger. Right now, it's like the last time I checked for Luna, it's only a $200 million, $270 million market cap, which I think it could be a $10 billion company pretty easily. So I am buying even more heavier into Luna. Unity, it's at like a $38 billion market cap, so I am kind of slowing down after like my last few purchases. I'm probably gonna slow down since I think Unity could go to like 130 billion in like the next 10 years. That's a reasonable price. So my margin is decreasing since it went up so much already. Etsy, like I said, it's like the next Shopify, and it's under like it's $17 billion market cap, which is crazy, and Shopify is at a $100 billion market cap, which is why I actually added Shopify to my one of the stocks I'm going to buy in the future. Shopify, I think it's actually a pretty good deal right now, to be honest. Where it is and where it could be, I think it could be $1 trillion company in the future, depending on which way they go. So I need to do some more research on Shopify. Ozon, right? It's a Russian company, and it's like a Russian e-commerce company. It reminds me of Amazon, and I read up on it a bit. They do e-commerce in Russia. They have delivery trucks. They have locations in each major cities in Russia. They own around 30% of the market cap of e-commerce online for Russia, and Russian e-commerce is growing over the next year. So I could see this being a huge company in the next following 10 to 20 years. I could see it being massive, just like AliExpress was, and Alibaba, which is basically the same thing. But just like Alibaba was became a huge company, I could see Ozon being a huge company if they dominate the Russian e-commerce server, which they already are, and if they spread to other European countries and spread to other continents. Right now, it's just a $7 billion market cap, which is incredibly small for this. I think it's just actually it's a IPO. It's an IPO that's coming in. I think they already IPO'd, but yeah, it was like a couple of days ago their IPO. So it's relatively new. So I'm actually looking forward to buying it and seeing where it goes. I think it could grow at least 2 to 3 to 4 times in the next 5-10 years. I always do 5 to 10 years, since I don't expect companies to just blow up just like that. Usually it takes 5 to 10 years to see a lot of companies grow to it, but since the stock market really likes these tech stocks, the tech stocks are going up rapidly. And C, right? C is a Chinese-based stock, and they're similar to Ozon, but they're like a competitor of Alibaba, and they have sections in let me see. I did the research for it, but I can't remember it right now since it was a couple weeks ago actually. But they have a gaming platform. They have a e-commerce platform, and they also have this one other thing. But I might just do a whole separate video on C Limited, since it's actually a pretty good stock, and I think it could become a $200 billion company in the next 10 to 20 years, depending on how fast it grows. So that's a double up of my money. It's a $90 billion market cap right now. And let me see. Take-Two. I am looking at Take-Two Entertainment. It's a $20 billion market cap, but I plan on doing some research for that. So I have a lot of stocks that I have to do some research on. I have a lot of stocks that I like and want to build more in, like Luna and ZNGA. ZNGA is down since their earnings was below expectations, but they did take out some money lost some revenue because they want to grow in the future. So I was listening to their earnings calls, and they said some pretty good stuff that make me want to buy some more, even though it's down right now. So I'm not worried about some guys' stock. Give me some more. Give me. Also, I heard some crazy IPOs coming out. First is Airbnb, which I definitely want to buy. I want to see the stock, see the company, and I kind of understand the company model already. So I'm definitely looking out for Airbnb IPO and Roblox IPO. give me. If I see Roblox IPO, give me that right now. My siblings play Roblox, and hell, I even used to play Roblox when I was like, I don't know, 10. It was crazy. So yeah, I'm definitely looking into those companies and definitely going to buy those companies. So for my plans for the future, I in December I am planning to switch over to real estate stocks. So buy a little more on the real estate stocks than I am buying into the high growth stocks. So you'll see a shift in a shift in my portfolio when I go on to the real estate stocks. Uh, for December, I mean. Well, that's it for this little video. Peace out, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, see what you want to see, what you think the company's gonna go to, the market's gonna go to, if it's gonna go down. If you like these stocks, if you want, what stocks you guys are gonna buy, just yeah, comment, like, subscribe. Peace out.